Listen carefully. For the next few minutes, I want you to do something different. Don't worry about what's on your screen. Don't overthink anything. Just listen to my voice, because what I'm about to share with you can genuinely change the way you make money online. If you truly understand these ideas, you can start building real income streams without investment, without special skills, and without waiting 4 years. Today, I'm going to reveal AI money-making ideas for 2026 that people in the USA are already using to earn $100, $150, even $200 per day. And the best part, you don't need money to start. You just need attention, consistency, and a willingness to act. Now let's get straight into it. The world has changed. Artificial intelligence is no longer the future, it's the present. People who understand how to use AI are making money faster than ever before. And those who ignore it, they're getting left behind. But here's the truth: AI doesn't replace you. It multiplies you. It turns one person into a team. It saves time, reduces effort, and increases profit. And today, I'll show you exactly how to use it. The first idea is AI content creation for social media. Right now, platforms like YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok are paying creators through ad revenue, brand deals, and affiliate marketing. But most people think they need to show their face or have editing skills. That's not true anymore. With AI tools, you can generate scripts, voiceovers, captions, and even full videos in minutes. You can create finance videos, motivational clips, or trending facts content all without recording yourself. Channels are earning $200 a day just by posting consistently. The secret is volume plus consistency. One video won't change your life, but 50 videos might. The second idea is AI freelancing. Businesses in the USA are actively looking for people who can help them save time, and AI allows you to deliver faster results. For example, you can offer services like AI-generated blog writing, social media captions, email marketing content, or product descriptions. Clients are paying $20, $50, even $100 per project, and you don't need to write everything manually. You use AI to do 80% of the work, and you refine the rest. Platforms like freelancing websites are full of clients ready to pay. One client per day can easily get you to $200. Now let's talk about AI, blogging and SEO. This is a long-term money-making machine. You create a simple blog, choose a niche like finance, insurance, loans, or credit cards. These are high RPM niches in the USA, and start publishing articles using AI. Over time, your website gets traffic from Google, and that traffic turns into money through ads and affiliate links. Some articles can earn $10, $20, even $50 per day on their own. Imagine having 50 articles. That's how people build passive income. The fourth idea is AI affiliate marketing. This is one of the easiest ways to make money online without investment. You promote products or services using your content. Every time someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. AI helps you create reviews, comparisons, and promotional content faster. You can promote software, finance tools, or online courses, anything with high commissions. One good product can earn you $50 to $100 per sale. You don't need thousands of sales, just a few per day. Next is AI-powered faceless YouTube channels. This is exploding right now. Channels are being created around topics like finance, luxury lifestyle, business, and success stories. AI generates the script, converts it into voice, and helps you edit videos. You upload consistently, and once monetized, you earn from ads. Finance channels in the USA have some of the highest RPM rates. That means more money per 1,000 views. Some creators earn $20 to $40 per 1,000 views. So even small channels can generate serious income. Another powerful idea is selling digital products using AI. You can create ebooks, guides, templates, or mini courses. AI helps you write faster and organize content. You can sell these products online again and again. One product, created once, can generate income for months. For example, a simple guide on how to save money in 2026, or beginner investing tips can sell for $10, $20 or more. Sell just 10 copies per day, and you're already making $100 to $200. Now let's talk about AI automation services. Small businesses don't understand AI, but they want results. You can offer to set up automated systems for them like chatbots, email responses, or content scheduling. You don't need to code anything. You just use available tools and charge for the setup. Businesses are willing to pay because it saves them time and money. One project can bring $100 or more. Here's another underrated idea: Zoom and cover letter services. In the USA, people are constantly applying for jobs. They want professional resumes that stand out. You can use AI to create high-quality resumes and charge $20 to $50 per client. It's simple, fast, and in demand. Just a few clients per day can reach your $200 goal. Let's move to AI. Voiceover and audio content. Many creators need voiceovers for videos, ads, or podcasts. AI tools can generate realistic voices. You can offer voiceover services without recording your own voice. This is especially useful if you don't want to speak. Again, it's about solving a problem, and people pay for solutions. Now I want you to understand something important. None of these ideas work overnight. Anyone promising instant money is lying. But if you stay consistent for 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, you will start seeing results. The people earning $200 a day today were beginners once. The only difference, they didn't quit. Also, focus on higher PM niches like finance, insurance, loans, real estate, and online business. These niches pay more because advertisers spend more money. That means higher earnings for you. Combine this with AI, and you have a powerful system. Let's break down a simple daily plan. Spend 2 hours creating content using AI. Spend 1 hour posting and optimizing. Spend 1 hour learning and improving. That's it. 4 hours per day can change your financial future. Most people waste more time scrolling than this. Another key point: don't try everything at once. Pick one idea, focus on it, master it, then expand. If you try 5 things at once, you'll fail at all of them. But if you focus on one, you can succeed faster. Consistency beats talent. Speed beats perfection. Action beats planning. These are not just words, they are rules. Follow them, and you will win. And remember, this AI is just a tool. You are the one making decisions. You are the one taking action. The opportunity is real. The timing is perfect, but the result depends on you. So once again, don't get distracted. Don't overthink. Just start, even if it's small, even if it's slow, because one day, that small start can turn into $100 a day, then $200 a day, and even more. If you've listened this far, you already have an advantage. Most people won't. Most people will scroll away. But you stayed. Now take the next step. Your journey to making money online without investment starts today. And with AI on your side, 2026 could be the year life changes completely.